To meet current regulations, you should insulate your loft to a depth of 300 millimetres. This normally means a layer of 100 millimetres between ceiling joists with a further 200 millimetres laid on top. If you already have insulation between the joists, you may only require a single top-up layer. Before installing TwinRoll, you should decide exactly where you need it, as well as measuring your attic space. Next, use our online calculator to work out exactly how many packs of TwinRoll you need. For between joists, usually 400 or 600 millimetres, using the cut lines as a guide and with the packaging film still on, cut the TwinRoll to fit the space. It will then split into 2 layers of 100 millimetres. For a second or top-up layer, simply open the pack and start laying the roll. Take one of the TwinRoll layers and press into place between joists. For effective results, make sure layers are closely joined. Should you encounter obstructions, cutting may be required. If you have chosen a 200 millimetre top layer for optimum energy efficiency, installation is easy. Simply lay the entire roll out on top of the joists. Recessed downlights should be protected by a rock cover with TwinRoll placed around it. This will prevent gaps in the insulation. For best results, leave a ventilation gap of at least 50 millimetres at the eaves and ensure that the hatch, exposed pipes and cold water tanks are insulated. For raised water tanks, avoid insulating directly beneath it to assist airflow. TwinRoll, 2 solutions in one easy and efficient roll.